photographers are also snapping pictures of the first blossoms. Matt says he wants to see the blossoms before they go into full bloom. He's looking forward to seeing what will happen when they do fully bloom. This man says he'll look forward to viewing the cherry blossoms over the next couple of weeks. The Meteorological Agency is predicting temperatures lower than average toward the latter half of the week. So that is expected to slow down the cherry blossoms and prevent them going to full bloom